Hi, my name is Robert Weichelt. Now they already know my name. Hello, my name is Robert Weichelt with eXp. I'm a broker associate here in San Diego, and I want to kick your ass if you don't come to my class. This is Robert Weichelt.
And Sandra Hooley.
And we're with eXp. We want to list. We don't want to do that, do we?
Oh, yes, we do.
We want to.
Hey guys, I'm here today over at Loan Depot down in La Mesa, California. Just finished up a class on the home auction and eXp Explain.
Boom, boom. You gotta show the world how cool your boss is.
If I were you, I'd take precaution.
All right, so I'm here talking out of my ass, and
Robert, look out! Did you see that? We almost died.
I'm not a very good passenger, so why don't you...
The auction platform is amazing. I'm doing it right now, and I have 140.
You know what we should do is this. Test. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2.
Yeah.
Oh, how do I look?
There, yeah, no, it says eXp.
Prospects come in, buyer leads that come into my house.